Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to cancel subscription on YouTube TV. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply click on this profile icon over here and then go to settings. And from here guys, just go ahead and go to your subscription. So guys, from here, when you have a subscription to either of these, instead of add button, you will see here manage. And when you click manage guys, you'll be able to see there two options. You can either pause the subscription or cancel the subscription. So guys, when you cancel your subscription, it will be canceled to your next billing date. From there, guys, a survey will ask you why you are canceling, and then from there, just provide the information why you are canceling. It will have multiple option, and just tap on continue canceling, and then from there, guys, you'll be able to click on yes, cancel, and then from there, guys, you'll be able to cancel your subscription. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!